Namaste. In this video, we are going to discuss how to do gada mudra. So to do gada mudra, you basically interlock your ring finger and little finger, touch the tip of your middle finger, and basically interlock your index finger and thumb such that they form a ring and they cannot be moved. So this is gada mudra, and the benefit of gada mudra is that it helps activate the muladhara chakra. Your muladhara chakra is connected to your own survival instincts. Basically your limbic brain is what muladhara is connected with. When you look beyond your physical self, that is when muladhara chakra begins to activate, and this mudra helps activate that muladhara chakra. If you are someone who is stuck at animalistic aspect of human life, that is looking for shelter, looking for survival, looking for sex, looking for food, then this mudra is a great way to overcome that and look beyond that to find the purpose of life, what is the meaning of life, etc. It will start your spiritual journey. So it's a great physical gesture or hand gesture to practice if you are looking towards similar interests. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.